Good morning class. Today we are going to start with exercise 1.1 with question number 5. Okay, here we have to evaluate. Okay, value find करनी है. So minus 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 36. Now first thing, इन दोनों का LCM फाइंड करना है. 9 और 36 का LCM कितना आता है? 36 आता है, लेकिन क्रॉस चेक करते हैं. Okay, we will cross check 36 and 9. So this will be 3s are 12, 3s are 9, then 3s are 4, 3s are, then 1s are, then 2, 2, 1, then 2, 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. LCM is equals to 36. Okay, LCM is equals to 36. Okay, now LCM is equals to 36, so therefore minus 1, 9 4s are, so 1 also 4s are, plus 1 by 36, here it is already 36, so 1s are, and here also 1s are. Now minus 1 into 4, minus 4 upon 36, plus 1 upon 36. Okay. Now check here, actually it was 2, this is also 2, so 2 4s are, it will be minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1, that will be minus 7 upon 36. Minus 7 upon 36. This is the value. Okay, minus 7 upon 36. Initially हमने यहाँ पर LCM लिया. We have taken the LCM. LCM 36 आया. फिर 9 4s are, so 2 also 4s are. Here 36 1s are, so here also 1s are. Then minus 8 and plus 1, minus 7. 36 as it is. Okay. Now the next one, second one. In the second one, we have B1 minus 5 by 12 minus 9 by 16. Okay, minus 5 by 12 and minus 9 by 16. Now 12 और 16 इन दोनों का LCM फाइंड करना है. 12 और 16 का LCM फाइंड करना है. So it will be 12 and 16. Now this is in the bracket. यहाँ पर एक चीज चेक करो. 2 6s and 2 8s, then 2 3s and 2 4s, then 2 2s, 3 as it is, then 3 1s, 2 as it is, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s 6. Okay, 6 2s 12, 12 2s 24, then 48. Okay, then it will be 48 is the LCM. LCM is equals to 48 minus 5 by 12. Okay, now 12 how many are? 12 4s minus, then 9. 16 how many are? 16 3s are, minus 5 into 4, minus 20, minus 9 into 3, minus 27 upon 12 4s are 48, 16 3s are 48. So 48 we can take as common. So minus 20 and minus 27, minus 47. Okay, minus 47 upon minus 48. But sign will continue of negative. नहीं तो माइनस माइनस प्लस बोलोगे आप और यहाँ पर प्लस करोगे, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस, बट द साइन विल कंटिन्यू. माइनस 47 अपॉन 48 यही आएगा. देन फर्दर, then the C1 you will have minus 13 upon 21 into minus 7 by 39. Minus 13 upon 21 and minus 7 by 39. Okay, अब यहाँ पर minus 13 upon 21 और minus 7 by 39, यहाँ पर हम 21 और 39 इन दोनों का LCM फाइंड करने की कोशिश करते हैं. ओके, देन 39 and 21. Okay, 3s are 13 3s are, then 3 7s are, then 13, then 7, and then 7 1. Then 3 into 39. 3 into 13 will be 39. 39 7s are 39 into 7, that will be 7 9s are 63, 6 carry, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 6, that is equals to 27, 273, 7 9s are 63, 6 carry, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 6, 27. So 273 is the LCM. LCM is 273. LCM is equals to 273. Now cross check here. Minus 13 by 21. Now 21, how many are 273? Okay, so 21 13s are. 21 13s are. Okay, here also 13. Actually it is a plus sign, so no need to do the LCM, directly we can cancel. I thought it is a I thought it is a plus sign, no need to find the LCM, directly we can multiply. Okay, so यहाँ पर 13 ones are and 3s are. Okay, 7 ones are and 3s are. Okay, so minus 1 into minus 1 upon 3 into 3. Okay, so minus 1 into minus 1 will be 1 and 3 into 3 will be 9, 1 by 9. It is reflecting, it is multiplication sign. देखो 13 ones are, 13 3s are. Okay, then minus 7 ones are and 7 3s are. So minus 1 into 1, 1. 3 3s are 9. So 1 upon 9 is the answer. Okay. यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लीकेशन था इसलिए हमको एलसीएम करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. यहाँ पर सब्ट्रैक्शन था इसलिए एलसीएम किया. यहाँ पर एडिशन था इसलिए एलसीएम किया. Wherever you have addition and subtraction, then and then only you have to do the LCM. Otherwise, directly you can simplify. For multiplication and division, no need to find the LCM. Now further. Okay, now the last one, D1. In D1 we have 4 upon 5 divided by 16 upon 1. So further 4 upon 5. Now we know that reciprocal we have to take. So 1 by 16. 4 ones are and 4 fours are. So it will be 1 into 1, 1. 5 fours are 20. So 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is the answer of D1. Now we'll proceed with question number 6. Okay. In question number 6, first one. Question number 6, first one. A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. Okay. यहाँ पर हमें एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन फाइंड करनी है. अब यहाँ पर A की वैल्यू क्या है? 18 by 35. ओके, B की वैल्यू क्या है? 5 upon 9. और C की वैल्यू क्या है आपके पास? 7 upon 12. ओके, सबसे पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. सो 18 by 35 into 5 by 9 into 7 by 12. तो 5 ones are and 5 sevens are. 5 sevens are. 7 ones are and 7 ones are. Okay. Then 9 ones are and this is 2s are. Then 2 ones are and 2 6s are. Okay. तो हमारे पास क्या बचा है यहाँ से? यहाँ से हमारे पास 1 into 1 into 1. 1 into 1 into 1. और यहाँ पर क्या बचा हमारे पास? 1 into 1 into 1. 1 into 1 into, sorry, 6. ओके, सो 1 into 1 into 1 आपके पास 1 हुआ और 1 into 1 1 and into 6 6. सो 1 by 6. आपका LHS कितना आ गया? 1 upon 6 आ गया. अब RHS चेक करते हैं. दिस इज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी इज दैट where we make the groups and we check. This is associative property of multiplication. Okay. Now this was LHS. Now we'll check RHS. RHS is A is nothing but 18 by 35. Then B into B. B is nothing but 5 by 9. And C is nothing but 7 by 12. Okay. Now first of all, 18 by 35 into 5 by 9 into 7 by 12. 9 ones are, 9 twos are. Okay. 9 ones are and 9 twos are. Then 7 ones are and 7 5s, then 5 1s and 5 1s, then 2 1s and 2 6s. So 1 into 1 into 1, 1 into 1 into 6. So 1 into 1 into 1 1 आएगा, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 6 6. So आपके पास 1/6. So LHS equals to RHS. Hence verified. कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी वेरीफाई की हमने? We have verified associative property of multiplication. Now the next question. Now next one, that is B1. In B1 we have A into B minus C is equals to A into B minus A into C. Okay, now check here. Okay, first is A. A we have as 18 by 35 into B minus C. B minus C means 5 by 9 minus 7/12. Okay, इसे वेरीफाई करते हैं. 18 by 35 as it is. इन दोनों का एलसीएम. ओके, 36 आएगा. ओके, चेक करते हैं. 9 और 36 आएगा एलसीएम. 3 3s are 9, then 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 4 as it is, 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. So एलसीएम आपके पास 36 आ गया. ठीक है, एलसीएम 36 है, तो यहाँ पर आएगा आपके पास 5 by 9. 9 how many are 36? 9 4s are, तो 5 also 4s are, minus, then 7 as it is. Okay, now 12 how many are 36? 12 3s are, तो 7 also 3s are. ओके, अब यहां पर देखो 18 by 35 into 5 4s are, it will be 20, 9 4s are, it will be 36, minus 7 3s are 21, 12 3s are 36. ओके, अब ये आपका डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, इसीलिए हम न्यूमरेटर का सब्ट्रैक्शन कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो यहां पर आएगा आपके पास 18 by 35 into, नाउ देखो 20 minus 21 will be minus 1 upon 36. Okay, so 18 1s are and 2s are. Okay, तो आपके पास आएगा 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 35 2s are 70. So minus 1 by 70. आपके पास आंसर क्या है LHS का? minus 1 by 70. RHS क्रॉस चेक करते हैं. Okay, we will check the RHS now. RHS में क्या है आपके पास? A into B. A into B क्या है आपके पास? A is 18 by 35. B is nothing but 5 by 9. Okay, minus A into C. A क्या है आपके पास? 18 by 35 and C क्या है आपके पास? 7 by 12. Okay, अब यहां पर देखो 5 1s are, 5 7s are, 5 1s are and 5 7s are, then 9 1s are and 9 2s are. तो आपके पास कितना बचा? 2 और 7 1s are 7. यहां पर 1 था, 2 into 1 2 और 7 into 1 7, माइनस, फिर 7 1s are and 7 5s are, then 6 2s are, 6 3s are. ओके, तो आपके पास आया 3 1s are 3, 5 2s are 10. ओके, अब 7 और 10 दोनों का एलसीएम कितना आता है? 70 आएगा. ठीक है, सो आप चेक कर सकते हो 7 and 10. सो 7 1s are और यहाँ पर 10 रहा, 70 इज एलसीएम. इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, इसको 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 2 10s are 20, 3 7s are 21. यहाँ पर आपके पास 70, तो minus 1 by 70. LHS equals to RHS. ये कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी थी? दिस वॉज अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो हेंस वेरीफाइड. Thank you very much.